Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and I want us to speak about Usne Nsilegu. On the last episode 2 of Izingane's Temple, there was a scene where Usne takes Utando, which is her daughter, out for shopping. And you know what, guys? That scene melted my heart. Like, it made me so proud of Usne. But the relationship that they seem to have, according to what we saw on screen, guys, it was so beautiful. You can see Utando is extremely comfortable with Usne, and vice versa. Sne is comfortable with Utando. And I think this goes to show that what people were saying and seeing about Utando, that Utando is not completely free, Kwamsilegu, is true. Because guys, if you saw that scene, how Utando was so open, Tando was behaving like a typical teenager. And I'm like, yes, this is how I know a teenager behaves, you know. And I guess because it's her mother, that's why I need to, when you with your own parent, there's a way like you free on a level that you would not be free with like a guardian parent, if I can put it in that way. But Tando basically, while she was doing shopping, while Usne was taking her out for shopping, she was picking clothes and trying out clothes. And then I guess when she was shopping, there was like 2 items or more than 2 items that she liked. And Snee was like, no, you're going to have to leave one item and take the other. And she was like, nope, I am taking both of them. And Snee was like, hey, Bo. And she's like, no, let's go pay. I am taking both of them. And I'm like, that is so, I just found it so beautiful because that's really how teenagers behave with their parents. They will force their way to get whatever they want. But I like how Snee is easy and they can have like an easy flowing like conversation with one another. And I don't know, guys, you know, there's a saying that says that to a child, no matter how corrupt, no matter how bad the mother may seem, to a child that will still be their mother. It will still be their mother. So no matter how, you know, Snee may have like a bad name, Kwamsilegu, she might seem as if she's not a present mother or she's not present enough for her kids. But you know what? To a child, that is still their mother. And to Utando, that is still her mother. And that's why I think she, you know, can have a fluid relationship and she's still much more free with her mother, even though her mother's hardly home, than she is with the rest of the other people in her family who she lives with. And I love that. And I truly do hope that Usne nurtures this relationship that she has between Utando and her. I really hope that she nurtures it and she safeguards it, because at some point children do grow up and they do start like realizing certain things, like you were not as available as you should have been. So I really hope she takes advantage of the fact that Snee is so, you know, not Snee, sorry, that Utando, I really hope that she takes advantage of the fact that Utando is like so free and comfortable around her, and that she nurtures and grows that relationship. But tell me, guys, did you pick up the same thing from Usne and Utando, that you can tell that they're almost as if they're friends? You'd swear they're friends, or you'd swear like these two are sisters that get along really well. Anyway, please do make sure that you like the video. Please also do subscribe. It is for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.